In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Acuity Scheduling, Squarespace. Tutorial for beginners. Acuity Scheduling, now part of Squarespace Scheduling, is a powerful booking system that lets clients choose times based on your availability, pay online, receive confirmations and reminders, and sync with the calendars you already use. It's ideal for coaches, consultants, salons, freelancers, and wellness professionals who want appointments to run on autopilot. Start by creating your account from the Acuity or Squarespace scheduling site. Click Get Started or try scheduling free, sign in with your Squarespace account, or create a new one, then set your time zone and business name. You'll land on the scheduling dashboard, the hub for all your bookings. Next, set your availability. Open availability in the sidebar and define your working days and hours. Add breaks or custom hours as needed, and if you offer different services, assign unique availability to each. Build in buffer time between sessions to prevent back-to-back fatigue and give yourself room to prepare. Now add what clients can book. Go to appointment types and create a new service. Give it a clear name, set the duration, price, and a concise description. Save your changes and repeat for any other sessions you offer. Descriptive names and a cover image make your booking page more inviting and easier to understand at a glance. To accept payments, head to Payments and choose a processor like Stripe, PayPal, or Square. Connect and verify your account so clients can pay securely during checkout and funds go straight to you. Avoid double booking by syncing your calendar. Under Integrations, choose Google, iCloud, or Outlook and allow two-way sync so appointments appear automatically. Customize client notifications next. In email settings, edit confirmation, reminder, and cancellation messages. Adjust timing and add your branding. You can also set up friendly follow-ups such as thank you or feedback requests. And for example, a simple reminder like, your session is tomorrow at 9 a.m. can cut no-shows. Embed scheduling on your site so clients never leave your pages. In Squarespace, add a scheduling section, select Acuity, choose your calendar and layout, customize the button text, and save. Prefer code? Copy the embed from your Acuity dashboard and paste it into a code block on your page. Before launching, test the full flow, make a booking, confirm emails are received, run a test payment, and verify calendar sync. Then